Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some rice, just some good old plain rice. So here I have a teacup, use whatever teacup, right? And I'm gonna be pouring out some rice. So any teacup, and I'll be measuring out 2 cups of rice from my teacup. So it will be 2 cups of rice to 2 cups of water. So here I have my bowl and I'm pouring my rice in my bowl and setting it aside to do the next one. Here are the rest of the ingredients. We just need some water. So yes, Vibes fam, here now I have my rice which has been washed. I washed it 7 times, right? So make sure you wash your rice to get rid of the starch, right? So I'm pouring 2 cups of hot water on the rice. So remember, it was 2 cups of rice, so it has to be 2 cups of water. So if it's 1 cup of rice you want to cook, then it's 1 cup of water, right? And you can use cold water, but I always use hot water to make it fast. So I added some salt, stir it up, cover it, and bam, here we are. Look at the steam. I love to see things like this. Look at the beautiful steam. So here we are. The water has been completely evaporated. So let's go ahead and stir up the rice. So everything that's at the bottom, we want to get it to the top. What's at the top, we want to get it to the bottom, right? Just stir it up. And I'm going to show you something that I normally do, or something that you can do. So if you think your rice is not going to be ready, like this for me is perfect. It would be ready in 5 minutes. I could just cover it with a pot cover. But I want to show you guys something. If you think your rice is not gonna be ready, cover it with some file paper, pour some hot water on top of it, and then cover it with the pot cover and give it about 5 to 10 minutes on low, and then voila, this is it. So Vibes fam, if you like your rice soft, then add just a little more water than the cup full, right? I don't like my rice soft. I love my rice nice and shelly. So here it is, all done, just beautiful and shelly, just the way I like it. And remember, this is basmati rice, but it goes the same for any rice. It goes the same for any rice, right? And Vibes fam, here we have it. Look pan steam, look at steam. I love to see steam in food. But yes, and look at the itty bitty garnish at the top. Oh my goodness. But yeah, Vibes fam, it doesn't get any simpler than this, right? It really doesn't. So 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. People message me a couple times and ask me, I always get the rice wrong, like it always turn out really sappy. How do I get it right? This is how you get it right. But normally, of course, I freehand with my cooking, but this is the simple way to teach somebody how to cook rice. So yes, Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over on Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you so much. God bless you.